every time you walk into the room, your air that's sweet. Got a melody in my soul from my head down to my feet. I've been searching for a rhythm, didn't know just what I'd find. But your love is the perfect syncopation for my mind. Yeah, you're the highlight of my look, babe. With the sunshine in my rain, turning all my simple verses to a sweet, sweet refrain. And I promise you this, my babe, I'll never miss a beat. For the first out until the final drum ain't me. So if the words just start, just spit it out the way. And if the music that we know should fade away, I still hear your songs, and now where you belong. You're my perfect harmony. Oh, the sweetest song my heart ever knew. And everywhere I go, I carry you. You're my perfect harmony. And God, I'm seeing that my love for you is true. Digging's all about the money, tap about it free and gold. But this worry that I'm living is the one that you just told. With a smile in the morning, with a whisper in the night. Got a lyric that reads me, makes them even come alright. When the bass is pumping low and the worries try to cry, you're the soothing natural melody that keeps me in my time. You're my moody one, I below. This you're my humor, I love. Two white kernel pages, every single note is you. So if the world should start to spin the other way, and if the music that we know should fade away, I still hear your song. Right here is where you belong. You're my perfect harmony. Oh, sweetest song my heart ever knew. Everywhere I go, I carry you. You're my perfect harmony. Girl, I'm singing out my love for you. It's true. Singing it loud for you. Let the trumpets blow, let the keyboards flow, let them on my drum. Call a hush to come, no matter the truth. From low to high, this love I'll never